Today we're showing a demonstration on how to replace a broken clip on the bib pants for Oshkosh. First step, remove the clip. That is broken. Okay. Step 2, take the new clip. It should be facing up with the teeth facing downward, the two openings on top. If you have it this way, it is incorrect. Okay, your first step is to thread the fabric through the top hole and then thread it down through the bottom. Pull through, nice and easy. Very simple. That literally took 10 seconds to do. And you could do that with both sides. And then you can adjust it on both ends.